Integers. What are integers and how can I use them? Integers are the set of all whole numbers and their opposites. We learned last week that those whole numbers are positive numbers and include 0, and their opposites are negative numbers. They cannot be decimals, fractions, or percentages. We located integers on the number line. With 0 being in the center, we noticed that to the right side are all positive numbers. To the left side are all negative numbers. We also discussed a little bit how integers will come up in our everyday life, whether it be for paying bills, shopping at the mall, planning a vacation, grocery shopping, or receiving a paycheck. Integers can make us very happy or very sad. When adding integers, if we have a positive plus a positive, that will equal a positive, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. If we have two negative numbers like -5 plus -3, that will equal -8. What happens if we have a negative plus a positive? Well, remember our song? Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So in this case, we have different signs. So we're going to take the absolute value of -8 and 2 because our absolute value is just the distance from 0 on the number line. So when we subtract 8 minus 2, that will give us 6. We can determine that -8 plus 2 equals -6. We must keep the sign of the larger number's absolute value. Subtracting integers. We're still subtracting on this problem -12 minus -2, but we have to do something to help us solve this problem. That's where we incorporate keep, change, change. Then we follow our integer song. Same sign add and keep, different sign subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. Our first step is to keep, change, change. So we keep the -12, we change the subtraction to addition, and we change the -2 to +2. We then follow the song. Do -12 plus 2 have different signs now? They do. So we follow different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So using our absolute values, we have 12 minus 2, which equals 10. So looking at this problem, -12 plus 2 will equal -10. So let's give it a try. We have 17 plus -9. What do you notice about 17 plus -9? That's right, they have different signs, so we'll follow our song lyrics, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. 17 minus 9 equals 8. So our problem's solution is 8. Let's try -42 plus -3. What do you notice about these two integers? That's right, they have the same signs, so we will just add and keep the sign. When we add -42 plus -3, this will equal -45. What about -56 minus 7? Oh, this is subtraction. We need to keep, change, change. We keep the -56. We change subtraction to addition, and my +7 becomes a -7. So, see if you can solve that one. That's right, -63. As we continue our lesson today, keep in mind that you will see problems like this and you will need to remember our song lyrics and the tip, keep, change, change when we have subtraction. We'll see integers in our everyday lives, so it's important that we know what to do when adding or subtracting all sorts of integers, whether it's for playing sports, shopping, or even playing video games.